Yes, it's raining outside, children. The weather's turned nice.
Yes.
We should thank God. It was very hot.
तेज हो रही है rain.
Yes,
तेज हो रही
it's तेज हो रही है. बारिश में बाहर मत जाइएगा, भीगिएगा नहीं. कल से यूनिट टेस्ट शुरू है. Don't fall sick.
मैंने कौन सी मिस करी थी?
Yes, you can hear the thundering from my end also, I think.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ate.
अब यूनिट ठंडा होगा.
Yes.
मैम, मैं कौन सा होगा?
यूनिट टेस्ट कल से आपके स्टार्ट है.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Unit test begins from tomorrow. Your schedule is already there with you. Yes, Anaya.
मैम, आपकी आवाज बहुत स्लो आ रही है. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
There must be some network problem at your end.
मैम, मैम,
Yes, Aya.
टेस्ट की टाइमिंग क्या?
Everything is given in the schedule that has been posted to you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
साइंस का पेज नंबर कौन सा निकालना है?
Pranjali, just wait. Fold your hands and sit down. We are going to do revision.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Children, the timetable, everything has been posted to you long ago. Please check the timetable properly once again.
नहीं समझ में आ रहा है.
Inaya, you cannot hear me?
No, ma'am.
See, you replied just now. That means you can hear me. Children, today make sure you check your timetable once again for the timings, for the dates, everything. And be ready on time for the test. The link will be posted in the group to you. You will attempt it and submit it to me. All the instructions have already been given. Please make sure you go through the instructions once again today. All right, now fold your hands straight. We are going to revise science today. Ishanvi, sit straight.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैं यहाँ बारिश हो रही है.
बाहर बारिश हो रही है मंजीत. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, now sit straight. We are going to revise first.
Excuse me, ma'am. मेरे क्या भी हो रही है बारिश.
Yes, sure, but it is raining everywhere.
यहाँ भी हो रही है बारिश.
All right.
मेरे भी रेन हो रही है.
Yes, it's raining everywhere. Now all of you sit straight. Quickly fold your hands. Fold your hands straight. Everywhere it's raining. Even here where I am, it's raining.
It's raining my side.
Yes, Ronik, it's raining everywhere.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Why is it no good? Page number कौन सा?
Ane, fold your hands straight. We are going to do revision. You will answer to the questions that I'm asking you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ronik.
Why is it no good?
Yes.
Why is it no good, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. Which page number?
Ronik, I couldn't get you, child.
आपकी बात नहीं हो रही है, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Which page number?
You cannot hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
Now can you hear me?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. I'll fold your hands. All of you fold your hands straight like this. All right. The first question. Why do we need a house? Vinayak? Why do we
We need
need
a
a
house
house?
and it keep as it safe from heat, cold, rain, wind, and virus animal.
Okay, good. Ishanvi, repeat. Why do we need a house?
We need a house as it keeps us safe from heat, cold, wind, and rain, and virus animals.
Various animals. Okay, good. Ria,
Yes, ma'am.
what are the different rooms in a house? What are the different rooms in a house? Ria,
Yes, ma'am.
answer. Ria,
Yes, ma'am.
can you hear the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Please answer. Do you know the answer? If
Ma'am,
not,
I not learned the answer.
all right. Kriday, what are the different rooms in a house?
The different rooms in a house are bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, dining room, and living room. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Ria, repeat. The different rooms in a house
The different rooms in a house
are
are
bedroom, bathroom, kitchen,
bedroom, bathroom, kitchen,
dining room, and living room.
dining room, and living room.
All right. Ali,
Yes, ma'am.
what are the things you see in a bathroom?
Tub,
What are the things
ball,
you see in a bathroom?
tub, balti, or position. Sorry, ma'am. Can I? So,
Soap, okay. Mahira, Mahira, what are the things you see in a bathroom?
ma'am, tub, null, bathtub.
नल को इंग्लिश में टैप बोलते हैं ओके
मैं बोलूं?
यस मायरा टैप टैप
Tap, bathtub,
bathtub ओके
and soap and shampoo.
soap and shampoo okay fine Astha repeat the answer what are the things you see in a bathroom
We see a basket, mug, a tap, and soap in a bucket.
all right fine Shubh where does your mother cook food
Ma'am, kitchen.
give the complete answer my mother cooks food in the kitchen
Yes, ma'am. Thank
say
you,
the
ma'am.
answer शुभ रिपीट करिए शुभ रिपीट करिए प्रशस्ति रिपीट where does your mother cook food प्रशस्ति are you there
Ma'am, in the kitchen.
give the complete answer my mother cooks food in the kitchen
Yes, ma'am.
say the answer
My mother
cooks
cook food in the kitchen.
all right Hassan Hassan A house gives us shelter from the dash, heat or sweet?
Ma'am, heat.
Heat. Okay. Sakina,
Yes, ma'am.
we sleep in the dining room or bedroom?
Bedroom.
Bedroom. All right. Pranjali, Pranjali, Meher, the dash room has dining table and chairs.
Dining room.
The dining room. All right. Anay, a house may have many rooms. True or false? Anay,
Yes, ma'am.
a house may have many rooms. True or false? एक हाउस में
Bathroom.
बहुत से रूम्स हो सकते हैं. True or false?
Bedroom.
Anay,
Bath. Yes,
Anay,
ma'am.
listen to the question, child. हाउस में बहुत से रूम्स हो सकते हैं. ये सही है कि गलत है? ट्रू है मतलब सही है, फॉल्स है मतलब गलत है. सेंटेंस को ध्यान से सुनिए. अ हाउस हैज मेनी रूम्स. एक हाउस में बहुत से रूम्स हो सकते हैं. आपके घर में बहुत से रूम्स हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
यस. तो ये सही है कि गलत है स्टेटमेंट?
Sahi.
सही. सो से इट इज ट्रू. It is true.
It's true.
All right. Hayat, a house keeps us safe from rain. Hayat,
True.
true. All right. Visual, we
Yes,
bathe in the
ma'am.
kitchen. We bathe in the kitchen.
True.
We bathe in the kitchen. Listen to the question properly. We bathe in the kitchen. Bathe means to have a bath. True or false?
False.
False.
Ma'am,
Yes.
false.
False. Yes. All right. Now listen to the questions again. Inaya, what is a neighborhood?
The area around our house is known as a neighborhood.
Okay, good. Wali, write one way in which we can keep our neighborhood clean. Tell me one way in which we can keep our neighborhood clean. How can you keep your neighborhood clean, Wali? How can we keep our neighborhood clean, Wali? Wali, I cannot hear you. By putting the waste in the dustbin. Okay, very good. All right. Pranjali, the next one.
What is the question?
May I know who's joined from Anubhav Saxena's ID?
What is the question?
Yes, who has joined from Anubhav Saxena ID?
No,
All right, Ronek, tell me one way in which you can keep your neighborhood green.
we should किसे रखा है
Shivansh. All right. Okay. Let's continue, children. There was some problem there. Yes. Ronek, can you tell me one way in which we can keep our neighborhood green? Ronek, can you hear me?
Mom, can I see? Mom, can I see? Mom, can I see?
Yes, Pranjali, let's hear you.
We should
Pranjali, you are reading from the copy.
no,
You are reading from the copy.
no,
Look up and say,
we should throw
how can you keep your neighborhood green? What can you
we
do to
should
keep your neighborhood green?
we should throw away in the dustbin to keep our neighborhood clean.
Pranjali, you are answering to the question, how can you keep your neighborhood clean? But I am saying, how can you keep it green? हरा कैसे रख सकते हैं अपने सराउंडिंग, अपने नेबरहुड को आप ग्रीन कैसे रख सकते हैं? ऑल राइट, Rishita, how can you keep your neighborhood green?
We should plant and clean.
Yes, children, there's some problem today in the network, I think. All right. Okay, Hassan, you tell me, how can we keep our neighborhood green? Since you are sitting and playing, now you tell me. Hassan, switch on your mic.
बोलो My going as a seat.
अपने सराउंडिंग को आप ग्रीन कैसे रख सकते हैं?
कुछ हो गया
बाय
रुक जाइए
by growing plants and trees. Pranjali also, hear carefully, by growing plants and trees. जब हम plants और trees लगाते हैं तभी हमारा neighborhood green होगा. Meher, repeat the answer, child. How can we keep our neighborhood green?
Growing by plants.
Meher,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, repeat. We can. Pranjali, just wait. Meher is answering. Pranjali. Yes,
We
Meher.
can keep our neighborhood clean By growing plants and trees.
Okay, thank you. Children, please learn up your answers very nicely. Some of you have still not learned the question and answers nicely. I told you to write and learn. I told you write in your register and learn nicely, carefully. Yes? So please make sure you're doing that. All right, the next question. Aram?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Where do we go to do these activities and in our neighborhood? To buy bread. Where do we go to buy bread?
Ma'am. To buy bread. Market.
Market. Okay, thank you. Manjeet? Manjeet, where do we go to play?
Ground.
We go to the ground or we go to the park. Okay? Aradhya? Aradhya? Aradhya, are you there? All right, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
When we are not well, where do we go? Think and answer. When we are not well, जब हमारी तबीयत खराब होती है हम कहाँ जाते हैं?
Ma'am, hospital.
We go to Anya. Don't answer out of turn. Yes, sure.
Excuse me, मैम आप अपना आंसर मतलब क्वेश्चन आप दोबारा रिपीट कर सकते हैं मैंने
Where do we go to when we are not well? Shub, look in front. जब हम बीमार होते हैं हमारी तबीयत ठीक नहीं होती हम कहाँ जाते हैं शुभ?
मैम क्लिनिक.
You go to the clinic or you go to the hospital. Okay, fine. All right. Now, Hriday, the next one. We live in a hospital. True or false?
False. मैम
False. Okay. Ishanvi.
बड़ा कर देने से.
Ishanvi, please sit down in your chair properly first. Sit down, Ishanvi. And
Yes, ma'am.
stop running around. Come on, answer. We go to the park to buy things. True or false? हम
True.
पार्क
False.
जाते हैं चीजें खरीदने के लिए.
False. Ma'am.
False. All right. Ayat. Ayat.
Yes, ma'am.
We go to the school to study. True or false?
Ma'am,
True.
true.
All right. Shubh, you have joined from two IDs. Arav. Arav. We should keep our neighborhood clean. True or false?
Ma'am, true.
True. All right. Mahira. We live in a
Yes, ma'am.
hospital. We live in a hospital. True or false? हम लोग हॉस्पिटल में रहते हैं. ट्रू और फॉल्स? माहिरा.
Yes, ma'am.
We live in a hospital.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Think. हम लोग घर में रहते हैं कि हॉस्पिटल में रहते हैं बेटे?
Ma'am, house.
हाउस में रहते हैं. और यहाँ पर सेंटेंस है वी लिव इन अ हॉस्पिटल. तो क्या ये ट्रू है कि फॉल्स है?
False.
False है. Very good. So you have to learn to think. ऑलराइट, सेंटेंस को सुनना है, समझना है, सोचना है, फिर आंसर देना है. वैष्णवी.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vaishnavi. We go to a market to buy fruits. True or false?
True.
True. Okay. Vali.
Yes, ma'am.
Always throw waste in the waste bin. True or false? True. All right. Anya.
Yes, ma'am.
We go to the school to study. True or false?
True, ma'am.
True. We go to the school to study. All right. Now, children, from tomorrow you're beginning your unit test. Please make sure you do it very nicely. Be on time. Check the timings. Check the timings today for the unit test. The schedule and everything has already been posted to you. Please check it once again today. And tomorrow be ready with your be ready for the test tomorrow on time. All the best to you all. Do well. Now I'm going to say the prayer. Join your hands. Close your eyes. We finish with our classes for the day. All of you join your hands. Close your eyes. Mahira, join your hands. Ishanvi, join your hands. Close your eyes. Oh God, I thank you for all the people and this beautiful world which makes such a difference in my life. Thank you for my school and for everything I learn here to make me able someday to earn my own living and to live my own life with your everlasting guidance. Help me to understand a little better all the wonderful things which you have given to me today. This I ask for your love's sake. Amen. Good morning and thank you, children. Have a nice day and all the best for the test from tomorrow. Bye, children.